First step. Go to Settings and then select the option About Device. Here you will find build number. Tap on 7 to 8 times until you get the message you have enabled development setting. Second step. Go back to the setting and you find developer option on top of About Device. Third step. Under developer option, search for the option Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animation Duration Scale. Change the value as 5x for Windows Animation, Transition Animation, and Animation Duration Scale. Fourth step. Go to developer option and then search for Don't Keep Activities and enable it. This will prevent apps from running in the background. Enabling this option will restrict apps like WhatsApp and Facebook from sending you the notifications. And finally, now press the home button and close all the open tabs. I hope this guide was informative to you. Your feedback is gladly appreciated. Please leave us a comment in the comments section if you have any other tips and tricks you want to share with us. Subscribe my channel for more latest updates about tech, app gadgets, review and other latest information.